From simple softwares to powerful automations, the tech industry isn't just changing lives, it's printing money. Let's break down exactly how some type of tech makes serious banks and how you could be a part of it. First up, the B2B softwares, the business to business softwares. Think of invoicing system, HR software, or customer management tools. Businesses pay around $1,000 to $50,000 for tools that help them run smoother. Why? Because time is money. And if your software is going to save time, it earns its value very fast. And if I give an example, think about a payroll automation tool. It is a one time setup tool for a cost of around $3,000. But for the company, it replaces an entire manual department. Instant saving, no brainer. Then we have got high end tech products, 3D printers, drones, AI tools. Next up, coming to the hardware and software combinations. Think industrial 3D printers with design softwares sold for manufacturing companies for $10,000, $20,000, even $100,000. And don't forget AI driven solutions. If you are capable to write softwares that can interact with a hardware or a hardware system like drones or printers, there is a very big game lying there. And because they replace guesswork with database decisions, there is much better probability of a hardware that is programmed with AI will work any day better, giving better outputs, making your software more valuable. Companies don't mind paying a premium if its costs is going to boost productivity or help them scale. We talk about $1,000 for a single page website. It's not because the agency is expensive, it's because the type of experience it is giving to their customers and the outcome that is given to the customer is extraordinary. And here's the cool part, you don't need to build the tech yourself. You just need an idea, something that can solve a pain point. Know someone in real estate, logistic, or retails who struggles with outdated processes, paperworks. If your idea saves them time or money, that is a sellable tech. And that is the tech that is going to make you money. In fact, you can even outsource the development. We have built scalable custom softwares for clients across industries. We have built automations and several other custom softwares. And if you refer a business or have an idea, we can build it for you. Best part, every time you refer a client, you get commissions. No coding needed, no technical expertise needed. All it requires is an idea to solve a problem. Tech is the most powerful tool in business today, and the opportunity is wide open. Whether you are solving problem or just connecting the dots, tech that makes money is just an idea away.